Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to replace the oil pump in my 2006 F-150 since we're doing the timing. I got a Melling high volume oil pump for high mileage engines, and there's no sense going through all this trouble while you're there. Why not replace the oil pump as well? So let's get started. So doing the oil pump, this is going to be, let me just turn that light back on. This is going to be the hardest part at all, is the oil pickup tube. Trying to get the two bolts out. The one's pretty easy. The one behind there is going to be hard. You're going to need 8-bill ratchet wrench, like you see right here, and ratchet them out. That one down there is going to be hard. I put a rag in there just in case, so if I happen to drop one down below, hopefully it won't fall into the pan and cause me further grief. That it'll stay in there and I can fish it out with a magnet. I got a camera set up there. I don't know how well it's going to get it with my hands in the way, but let's give her a shot. Oh, you know it's pretty bad when you're using a bore scope. Try to get that screw out. Still haven't got that inside one out. This has been very painful. In case you guys are ever wanting to do it, I recommend, if your condenser's out of the way, you can reach through a whole lot easier. If you have a hoist, it'll make a world of difference, because if you got big sausage fingers like mine, this is a tough job. Holy. After fighting for a long time, I got it out. And this is why I say, put the blanket in there. Because in the end, I ended up dropping both bolts. Blanket saves your ass every time. So now that we've had this intense struggle, gotta pry that down. This is a new pump I'm putting in, a Melling 340 HV. That's the old Ford. Here's the O-ring we need to change. One thing I want to do before I put the oil pump on, just want to throw some oil in there. There we go. Let's get this on, and hopefully putting the bolts back in for the strainer aren't going to be that much of a struggle. We'll find out though. The fun part with this is that the oil pump's got a couple tits, and then the crankshaft does too, and you got to get those aligned so that they'll fit in. To get the oil pump on, I thought for sure I recorded a clip of it, but apparently I did it. In order to get it flush against the block, you gotta finesse it a little bit, and all of a sudden it'll just go click. You'll know that you have it in when the oil pump is flush against the block. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, getting that bolt in totally sucks. I ended up using, well, I'm gonna explain to it later on, but it was not very fun at all. There you go. She's in there. It wasn't fun. Fought with it for a long time. A lot longer than I wanted to. Ended up using these needle nose pliers right here, the skinny ones, to fish it in place. With one finger reaching down, I've actually removed the locking because it's digging into my gut. Grab those pliers to kind of turn it in a little bit to get it to go, and then feed the ratchet wrench underneath there and use this little trim tool to kind of pry it up as I ratchet it. Yeah, it wasn't good. It was not good. Now that we've sacrificed our firstborn child to get that in, now we can throw the rest of the bolts in. I just got the Milwaukee gun set on the lowest setting. We're going to snug them up and then torque them down to 7.5 foot-pounds. Alright everybody, it was a struggle, but I got it in. But if you're thinking about changing the oil pump right now, I'm going to tell you something that'll make your job a hell of a lot easier, that I'm wishing that I would have did now. Would have been saving me a whole lot of hassle. I didn't want to spend the money to get my AC system drained, to remove the hoses, to remove the valve cover. That was one struggle. And then doing the bolts for the oil pump would have been a heck of a lot easier if the AC condenser wasn't here, and I could have just went right through the middle, got both hands in there easy, instead of, you know, kneeling on these pads, bending over, trying to fish it in from above. It was a nightmare. I got it done, but the job took me 2.5 hours. Or if the condenser was out, I probably could have got it done within the hour. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. The next video in the series, finish off the timing. I'll talk to you guys later.